Welcome to Sunset Park, located at 909 Puesta del Sol, San Marcos, California. This is a 6-hole course with 1 smart layout and 3 classic layouts listed on UDisc. All right, hole 1, par 3, 141 feet. We're going to pull out Franco out of retirement. We're going to go with the forehand here. Link putter available today. Hole 2, par 3, 97 feet, right in front of us. Par 3, 172 feet, right in front of us. Maybe like a Firebird. Throw it a little bit right, it'll come back left. Firebirds right here, baskets there. Guess we go for the putt. All right, we're gonna throw this Drew Gibson. Hole 4, par 5, 275, that's what it says here. Okay, we landed over here with old Drew Gibson, right here. There's our basket. I mean, we could run it. Oh, that was close. So we try to go for the big putt. Obviously dumb because there's a hill here. So what do? Do we run it again? Of course. What else is there to do? All right. Make sure I can actually make that. Hole 5, par 4, 225 feet. But yeah, it should just be a forehand, just like that. Dig in, dig in. There is a bird, look. But look what's on the other side. We need the bird. How confident are we with this putt right here? I would say I'm 60% confident I can make it. Viewers at home, did you think I was gonna make it? Hole 6, par 3, 149 feet, right in front of us. Calvin Heimberg, Star Toro. Get in position to putt for the bird.